I didn't know you kept bees, Jerry. How many have you got? 232? Oh look, Albert's found you some more. Ah, there you go. 95 more bees for your hive. So how many have you got in total now? Ah, don't worry, we can use number columns. Number columns allow you to take large numbers and add them together easily. It does this by breaking the sum down into place value headings, and then adding the numbers together in each column separately. First, the ones, in this case 5 and 2. Adding those numbers together we get 7. 7 is the final number of our total. Righto, onto the tens. Adding together 9 and 3 gives us 12. This number is made of 2 digits, 1 10 and 2 ones. When this happens, you take the ones and put them into our final total, and carry the tens over into the next sum. We only have one number in the hundreds column, so we simply add the remaining number to that. And then, boom, we've worked out you've got 327 bees in your hive, all with the help of number columns. See, Albert? They're not so bad. Right. No problem, just, run!